Are you an introvert seeking a full-file career that fits your personality and allows you to work from the comfort of your own home? Look no further, we have compiled a list of the top 5 remote jobs that are perfect for those who thrive in quieter, more independent settings. So first of all you have to do is dive into Promos.com. As you can see, this is the homepage, this is the first job. Then we have Fairfiction. All you have to do is open your browser and dive into Fairfiction.com. Also, we have SurveyTime, surveytime.io. This is the homepage. Then we have MeteorOpinion.com, and finally we have Appen.com. So the first one here we have in the homepage. Here we select the language you want. We have here blog, help center, contact support, and join the community. In the middle here we have earn money, make an impact, share your knowledge and insights to help businesses and communities make better decisions. Then we have here how it works. First, you create an account, download our app on iOS or Android for free and create an account using your email address to join the Premise contributor community. Then explore our tasks, browse our task marketplace and select the activities of your choice to complete within minutes. Then finally we have get paid. Choose the options to be paid instantly via PayPal, Payoneer or Bitcoin depending on the payment methods available in your country. So this is it for Primoz, as you can see. So it's very easy to earn money with Primoz. So let's get started. And we have the second one is Fairfiction.com. As you can see, this is the homepage. We have here first. Fairfiction is now part of the Engage Time. We have your phone number if you want to ask about something or you find some problem, or here use Gmail email to chat with them. Then we have here other services like customer knowledge, OH audit, reference testing, and other things. Have also our UX methods. We have remote user interview, focus group, candidate survey. About customer, we have alpha listing like L'Oreal, Fitchy, reference column, and we have your resources also. And about us, log in, you can find your account, and here you select language. Then if we scroll down, we have here various information about Fairfiction. All I have to do is read it to more understand and get started earning money with Fairfiction. We have first UX research consulting for your research and user testing anywhere in the world. Then we have here your UX research in a few days, quantitative or qualitative study with support according to your needs. First, you have to write, then rewrite, then conduct the study, and finally recommend. Here we have other things like user experience, benchmark studies, e-commerce, user testing, UX design, and download our latest white papers. If we scroll down, we have here our full demo in video. So first, go directly to platform overview here, then user feedback, analyze, then UX recommendation, and can choose one we want and start watching video about it. Then we have here our UX research and testing methodologies. We have first individual interview, focus group, quantitative survey, and remote user test. Then we have here user remote testing via our user research platform. We can listen to users anywhere
So this is
in
how
the
the
world.
completed study looks like in our platform.
Then we have
where
here
can
our
have
technology
access to all
and
the information on
expertise
the study.
for your UX
So now let's see
projects.
the
We
protocol
have
that we
here
wrote
a
for
unique
this study
UX
and that we
resource
can
platform
find here.
available in 8 languages,
For the
and
purpose of
you
this
have a team
demo,
of
we only
experts
wrote
in
5
UX research
steps, but
and
we could
UX
have gone up
design.
to 10. And same for the post-test questions.
And other information.
So after
To
the
get started, all I
validation
have to
of
do
this
is
protocol,
sign up
and
and to get
approximately
started.
after 1 week,
Then we
we
have
can
here the
create
third
this
one is
report
survey
plenty
time.
of data that users
So
gave, which is 4.2,
in the right
which
here
is
we
not bad
have
at
sign
all,
up
but this
with
already tells us that
Google,
there's still room
Facebook,
for
or email.
improvement.
You can select the
And we can
language
see
you
how
want
this score
also.
reflects on the
And
user
in the left
journey
you have
and
your
how
get
these first 2
instantly
steps have been a
rewarded
bit more
for every
problematic,
survey you
which
complete.
can already give
Then
us a hint on
let's
the
learn how
potential
does
areas of
survey
improvement.
time
And to
work.
understand better
If you
what's
are
behind
looking
this
to make money
experience,
online
let's have a
draw
deeper look into the
paid
user feedback.
surveys, then
So
you
this
have
is how the
reached
feedback is
the
displayed
right
in our
place.
platform.
The
We can
process
see
is
the
as
negative
simple as
comments
can
as
be.
well as the
First, you have
positive
to sign up
ones.
for Survey Time
And one
for
of the
free,
powerful
then tell us
features of
about
our
yourself
platform
by
is that we
taking
can
a short
categorize the
introductory
user feedback
survey,
by tagging
and
it,
finally start
and then we
earning
can use
cash
these
for
great
surveys.
filters
For
in
each
order to
survey you
narrow down
complete,
the
you
scope
get
of the feedback.
instant money
And from
reward.
here, It is our job to read all this
Then
rich
here
and
we
interesting
have
feedback and
benefits
make
of
it the
survey
basis
time.
of our
First of all, we
analysis
have
so that we
bubble
can give
draw,
solid
threshold,
recommendations.
then surveys
And on
for
top of
you.
this
Never
qualitative
miss a new
material, we can
survey.
also gather
Bonus
more
surveys
feedback on
amount
the post-test
to
questions that we
choose
can
your
find here.
reward. And finally, we have survey time is global.
And these post-test
We have
questions, we use
important
them in order to support
note
our
survey
analysis
time
and the
where you
conclusions on the
take free
test.
paid surveys and earn money for each
And with
one you
all this
successfully
insightful
complete. You
data, we're
start
more
now
than ready
and you
to
click
build up
over
a
start now
solid
and you sign
analysis.
up.
This is our
We have
legend that
the
we use to
fourth one
classify
here.
the
We have
insights
Metro
from
Opinion.
positive to the most negative.
First,
And for
we
the
have
purpose
your
of
paid
this demo,
surveys,
we're
earn
only
money
going to
online,
see
work
one
from
slide
home,
with
get
basic
up to
elements
$5
on the
for each
first step.
survey, safe
But
and
usually
easy
we will go
payment.
deeper into the details
So
of each
first of all,
step
all you
and
have
we
to do
will have
is choose
many more
country. You can
slides with
just
more
click over here
insights.
and choose your country. We have various countries. As you
So
can
one
see, we
of the
have
main
Asia,
positive
North
points was
America,
that
South
users
of
found the
America,
website
Europa
very appealing.
also, Asia,
However, the
and we have
pop-up that
Oceania
appears after
also,
landing on the
like
homepage has been
Australia
annoying
and
for
New
6
Zealand.
users.
So you
And when
select
looking
your
for a product, 8
country
users
and you
said
get
that the menu
started.
was overloaded and that it
So
was difficult
first,
to
let's
find what
know
they were
how
looking
to
for within
earn
the menu.
with paid surveys in
And here
three
you
easy
can find
steps.
the
First, you have
quotes
to
that
sign up, then
illustrate
answer,
these
and finally,
insights.
you get paid.
So as recommendation,
Here we
we
have
would
other
recommend
information
to
like earn money
reorganize the
online. It's
menu on
easy
mobile in a
with
more
Metro
visual way
Opinion.
so that users can
Payment
easily
also we have
spot what they
people,
are looking for.
Voci,
So again, in a
donations,
real
and we
project,
have
I will
also here
continue
work
with
from
more
home by
slides
doing
with plenty of
surveys.
recommendations
How
like this
much can
one.
you earn by
But
working from
now,
home?
let's just jump
And
straight away
other
into the
questions
conclusions and
with
takeaways.
answers. Answer
So after
survey on
many years
desktop,
of
tablet, or
research,
a
we developed
smartphone.
this table
You can
with
here
different
click over
UX
sign up
categories in
to
which we
get
base our
started. It only
analysis.
takes 30
In this
seconds, so
case, we
it's
can see
very
that in
easy.
terms of
And here we
perception and
have other
engagement, the
questions
website does it
like
pretty
how to
well.
earn money
And in
on
terms of
surveys. It's
accessibility
easy to
and
join Metro
usability, the
Opinion and
experience
start
is
to earn
good,
money
but
on
it can still
surveys.
be
You can join
improved.
for free,
So that
and
was all.
our
Thanks a lot for
service
watching this
remains
presentation.
free.
Feel free to contact us for more information and
So
we'll
the
be
only
very
things
happy
you
to
need
help with
is
all
an
your
internet
UX
connection.
research
You need to
projects.
be online
Bye!
to do paid surveys. For payment, you will need PayPal account registered with the same email as your Metro Opinion account. Then to earn the most money, you need to fill out as much information about yourself as possible. You can do this when you are logged into Metro Opinion. This makes it easier for us to pick the best surveys for you. So we have here three things. First, we have side or online part-time job, easy job for students to earn money, and finally we have additional income for the elderly. Here, in the last one, we have the best paid surveys. So this is it for Metro Opinion. So let's get started and earn money. Last one we have here, Appen.com. So Appen has been providing high quality data sets that power the world's leading AI models for dedicated our end-to-end platform. Flexible services and deep expertise ensure the delivery of the high quality diverse data that is crucial for building foundation models and an enterprise ready AI application. So here we have various information like Appen improved model and performance through human AI collaboration. And here we have a cycle. First, you have to create the right data, prepare usable training data, then develop and deploy your models, then finally evaluate model performance. So here we have benefits of Appen: expertise, scale, quality, flexibility, and innovation. So this is it for this 5 job at home. So all you have to do is start earning money with these 5 jobs. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.